By the end of the video, we'll know explosive at-home workout for killer chest gains. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an explosive at-home workout designed specifically for chest gains. So, grab your sports gear, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started. Kicking off with the classic push-ups. Start with a standard set of 10. Once that's done, move on to the tap and push, performing 5 reps per side. Then, try the clap push-ups, doing as many as you can for a real chest burner. Now, let's take it outside with the broad jump. For this exercise, jump as far and wide as you can over 10 reps. Not only will this improve your athletic ability, but it will also give your chest a good workout from the added resistance of your arms. Moving indoors again for some wall taps, stand facing a wall and lower yourself into a push-up position. Tap each shoulder against the wall while still in a push-up position. Start with 10 reps on each side and gradually increase the number per set. Trust us, your chest will thank you. Next up is the burpee. Start in a high plank position. Lower yourself down into a push-up position. Jump both feet forward to land in a squat position. And then jump up into the air for an explosive finish. Aim for 20 reps initially and work your way up to 30 or even 50 reps if you're feeling brave. Finally, end on an explosive note with plyo jumps. Start in a squat position and jump as high as you can while landing softly on your feet. Do these 10 times to really feel that burn in your chest muscles. And there you have it, our explosive at-home workout for killer chest gains. Remember to warm up properly before starting this routine and stay hydrated throughout. Happy lifting, folks.